As we talk today, yes, hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea.
Matapos kumpirmahin kahapon na hiwalay na sina Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque, marami ang mga lumutang na espekulasyon tungkol sa dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan. Kaya may paalala si Boy Abunda.
Delikado yung speculations dahil malay natin inaayos pa, malay natin nag-uusap. I don't know. How much do we really know? How much do we really know? Kaya yung aking call, yung panawagan na sanay we can be a little kinder.
Tumanggi si Tito Boy na pangalanan ng kanyang sources, pero hindi pa raw niya nakakausap sina Bea at Dom pagkatapos ng kanyang mga sinabi kahapon.
I'd like to be able to do an interview with Dominic, with Bea, and get it straight from them. Get it straight from them. But I will not pretend to know much.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nagbibigay ng komento sina Bea at Dominic.